Hello everybody, just wanted to give a quick update what's been going on uh, since the last time I made a video. I think I was working on the doors, and it's been kind of hectic, as you know. Haven't been able to do much work, so I had to rely on other people to come help me out when they had time and do things. And so basically I missed a lot of recording on a lot of things that we did. Last time we were working on the doors. We'll get back to this. But last time I was working on the doors where I added the latches for the 2015 Camaro. And there's the catch. And here's the finished product. The latch is in here. The door latch. Obviously this locking rod is going to be moved to the inside, but for now I've just got to bend that metal, get it inside somewhere. But everything's in there, everything works, and it wasn't as hard as I thought at all. Been doing a little bit of door gapping work, and had to add some metal over here. This was way off, so I just added a little, did what I could, and it's not too far off for the body shop, so let them do the crucial stuff. I tried my best to line these fenders up. Did a pretty decent job. This right here, they're probably just gonna have to fix the gap. And my hood, lining that up, it's another thing. But the hood actually is done. So this is what we finished. A lot of help from my cousin, a couple other friends came by, helped me out moving it here and there, and then got the front nose on there. So everything's just mocked up right now. So my lights, I'm not going to be able to use the LED lights I bought because of this right here, my charge pipe for my intercooler. But I'm going to be able to modify the stock lights to fit in there, and so that's what I'm going to do. And it should fit in there fine without hitting this. So I've already used the old light I had just to mock it up and look in there. And the headlights, the bumpers, I like the original bumpers, but I saw the ones at Anvil and I kind of like that look, so I did get the rear Anvil bumper and ordered the front one. So I'm gonna see how that rear one fits first, and if it's not that bad and I don't have to do so much modification to it, then I'll keep it. But if I do, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the stock bumpers and make them fit a little nicer. So also you can see my front spoiler from D&Z Customs, and obviously, yeah, doesn't fit perfect because these old cars aren't perfect. And I think my nose has been banged up a little or something like that because it was way off, and I've been struggling with it all day today, and this is as close as I can get it. So this, if I squeeze it really hard, I can get it and probably get the bolts in. And I just got a slight little gap right here on this side and a little bit on this side, and also another little gap on this side. So any of you experts out there know anything about how I can get this perfect, hey, feel free to throw in a comment, let me know. So a couple of things I'm deciding on. Side marker lights, should I or should I not delete? They don't really bother me that much. Seen a lot of cars with them, and I don't know. It doesn't make a difference to me. I bought new ones. I do not like the way this hole right here shows up. So I am going to probably fill these in and see if I can get the bumper bracket out from the back, because I just don't like the way that looks. So on both sides. So I'm definitely going to cover those up and probably cover up the license plate holes right there. Don't plan on running the front license plate. So feel free to throw a comment in there. Let me know what you think about the side marker lights. And oh, also got to show you guys fender vents. Yes, got the fender vents done, both sides. So obviously I need some mesh grill, just like the front nose. So I have the frame on here that I made for the mesh grill, countersunken screws. So I'm going to take that out, get the mesh welded on there, and then have the whole thing powder coated black. And fender vent on this side. Not bad, not bad. Body shop's gonna kill me, but oh well. And that's it. Oh, also, Firewall. Had to remake this plate back here. So I ended up hiding the brake booster behind there. And I made a accessible firewall. So this is not welded in yet, but I don't know if you know, I'm stripping the whole car back down again after I finish mocking everything up, and we're gonna burn everything in. And I'm gonna remake that firewall because it got a little damaged up there somehow. I have no, I don't remember doing that or how that happened, but I'm gonna end up remaking that side also. And then we got to make the floors and finish the mounts for the console and the mounts for the gas tank. So I'm going to do all that with the car up on the rotisserie, and then while that's all getting done, go through my motor and do a couple little upgrades here and there, freshen it up, and hopefully the car be done in the body shop by the time I get the motor and everything done. So that's all I got for now. But just wanted to give you guys a little update on what's going on right now, where she's at. All right, thanks for looking, and please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Got more video coming soon. Be back at work in a couple months, and looking forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks.